I'm watching about China Bravo TV. I can't China Bravo. I see. I can't say anything. I can't China Bravo. I see one and I'm more. Send a da no your call Mantemu. Na yene empenimfo obadi China muntinti man atena se ebi nkomo. Eye edwumafo mu ye edwuma China. Akesefo a omatena China. Akesefo a obidi China nkomo a ti ase ena no hwehwe nkomo. Then ho kese a yenya no fie ha no. Ebizodo na yehwe no. Ha but ene yakofa naba. Enkoba bia so subscribe bia hit subscribe button so na you can have.
Hey guys, please subscribe to China Abrabo TV for your latest news and entertainment.
And then how can say I need Dinkomo Mr. Elom, GBH for General Manager, and I hello, Akaba.
Yeah, that's you.
Elom, and I say OTGBH na wati elom do na ti elom wati nhuno ene baba fi kese elom na edwom ti say bi akoko
ne bi akoko
ya me kasa pa de say ene di you be say there's a video bi iye won bia
we ka ko
dey say you didn't come we intro you we on card scripted idina nkase shada kebu bochine ya go do na hello
family hello for them na do na omsu ya woni ba me ka fantine so para omsu e na wona ni sina
putting fantine pra chain
say ya we ya no ida ya tna so kana chi central region ona ida etna ya e bo brane ka ida ya parents transfer yana ya ko pim
na ngofo enim se you can say elom bia na shipping na na be
shipping there say ka shipping na the shipping and the Mr. T it was motivated through experiences that me am having with other shipping companies. But let me make the normal buy back home with the Pobwane my bag. Yeah, they have it.
And you see me
there.
Wow.
You see what? Yeah, you Turkey. You gonna get maybe you but yet maintain things now sir. The jadi room kakana start China bravo. It's become very routine. You know my worship here. Me no money basa because me I do no more idea. So I got inspired through my things that has already happened
experiences
before. Yes, and then through that I said to myself, I think I want to build a place in which people will feel very comfortable. Able to worship in Zama water bagan and so through all this.
But you say no shots and easy. Oh, David. Say you was big to say it is no shots and let's say
it took some time. Most of the people, if they see you, they think it's that you're able to but it has been a lot of struggles. And I wouldn't say much. I have to give thanks to some people like you, especially you, Isaac, Anero, Gracie, and other guys.
Maybe I'll go with you.
Apple Stage, Abbas, China, Penny say, Isaac, China Bravo, for the crew, any boys can come. Even though not me, but I wasn't that exposed. That exposure, no. I should have known that. As a mobile count videos in your and I go very viral. Before the
container comedy na in the container community loading no net say my for and now no we do and say what Chinese for it say
if a warehouse here you will warehouse here okay about 4 branches main branch to account for area and then also about poor outskirts of Guangzhou one of here loading at the warehouse na say 80 if any say maybe as this one maybe a small packages in the corner.
Aziz, comfortable people.
Aziz, you wake up at on what is small packages. Because that small packages, or if I say, see warehouse, what else? we will took it upon ourselves. Say, the boy play will be all banjo one person, and the work the person is going to do is that say the man kitten upon one, then when he assembles all of them, he will send it to the warehouse. Then we load. Very good. Don't worry. If you are doing the work, you don't look at the cost involved that much. You look at how you satisfy the client. And to this is a sack. This sack entails about one person's item into a small items, and about one day or about different days. So what Aziz does is that can you na share sack back no we see am we are not any pen there after it will show me here so bet you top no piabra
and who's the prince
outside what I say it's Aziz Lejumani okay ka we nyina bom no there so no there carry to prince outside the carry to sana Bagana, it makes it very easy for us to identify. So that's the way it was. I'm going to be to make one as is the
LMT, more loading dates, no, I ain't saying anything. But to be on more, and you're more by the warehouse watches are no more loading. We do all one, and your money maybe a buyer, and you're continuing. They are the details.
Also, you normally give prior notice to loading. Like I said, sometimes if my family sometimes you know, every month you will load 3 times within a month. Load first week of the month, middle of the month, and then the latter part of the month, go to the end of the month. But say normal don't warehouse normally we load 4 times within a month. So that we give prior notice. You can say we will load on the 5th of maybe a month. We start giving prior notice the previous month. But you know, sometimes I normally tell people, we buy trains, you did some on the 5th, no, or the normal at the 3rd. Where do a 3rd no? The container is already full. You understand? Container is already full. So who ideas over ship here? Sometimes even ship will not even 2 weeks ahead of time.
Now, they are not cheap customers. This is the customer in some of the side. I know you want also. They don't want to do one earlier, but I'm making container. I am not doing it.
Sometimes your list or the your church or for the bigger baby. Sometimes so normally be draw that they not see load here. A bit of the do very day, but that very day you load if I am. What I say. But we try as much as we can say. So normally be a check a car. We try as like within 10 days time we load again. Within 10 days time.
A banner I am not container I bidding can when a bar.
And do you normally know the funny thing? The funny thing is there. Even say load in there, you don't make it up. And we load within the next 10 days and 15 days. The funny thing is that them container you will move then within this. Very good. That week now, we do then within that week now. Because it takes a required number of time for a vessel to get through. It doesn't mean that you just present only your item to the vessel, then the vessel just moves.
Customers need to still you procurement. We all manage and say, "Utiesi kanema wa." I don't know shop one ma. Now they are pushing container. I need to say, China ko turn your man. I need to say.
Very good. I thank you for this question. I've been waiting for this question for a long time now. You and I know you've been in China for some time now. Even in China, it was it takes 3 days for the item to get to our warehouse. And when the item gets to our warehouse, we don't load that particular day. There's something called loading date. So that we normally use 2 weeks to prepare towards loading. It's 2 weeks here to prepare towards loading. So when we are ready to load, we load every item. It will be to look at it. We can remember now every load here about the whole analogy of the thing is that whenever we are loading, whatever is present at the warehouse, we load it. You can say, yeah, we don't mind you. But we become back into Bakuba, it's a camera Bakuba, Yanisa, the beer will be a look and Yemupa, the island, and your money in Amra. Very good. No one in one box, very good. Near loading in but so, Okacha say, you know, maybe open money in Ambuano and Sana Yashipia, the Germans you. I do something hard because the same client who come and tell say, the Yomana check. forget to say client no but catch you say jani normally see you na nyina ye dey embo ano enye
customize always and ye movie every one no na ye bisa say mo container no payment mode let say obi on ma menim say other shipping agents no obi on wo be catch say Fiscabra na me ship on your money ma obi be catch say o tua half answer obi so be catch say we be dura na obi to mo dey anything say GBH mo ye say
with GBH logistics no crowd obedi one that say a shipper dem mo be Fiscabra you testify to that obi none of our clients are ya shipper dem na ya Fiscabra. All payments on GBH logistics is made upon arrival of the things. Before container, we do that to facilitate. Say probably maybe any panel last not that come no man. So the person needs an ample time to gather some funds. It's probably within a period of 2 weeks or maybe 1 month, the person should be able to gather enough money to clear in your money.
Okay.
Mama cannot say, yeah, with the mindset there, if you work on Zama, this can you order on Zaman. Say, yeah, agenda, them time no worshiping Zaman, Uniska. And catch your day, in Zamanaton, all the Emin Chaka, in Zaman Bugana, and see you. It's a within 1 month now, at least it's made you have a crap now, telling Unzamaba. But everything here, nobody has paid. With GBH logistics, we fund everything ourselves. Yes, we do that to help our customers. There be a Uniska, and then we do answer the Wiska.
Now, aside scenes also ends Muyebiana.
They walk up as soon as I pass some cases about
Muyebiba. Ends Muyebiana.
Eh, dear. One woman say, Mamma Musoya Silka Kanka. Then answer yesterday, na Enaxan. You start not in the scene. If you attest to that, they see shipping at Zinana. You're already been doing air. Before later, you do mana, you go home. When other online airlines before we started air. And when we started, it was really working very well. No, we Juma or them within 10 days from summer, but 7 days now. Before the unexpected happened.
Well, I go far back and not in common. Unexpected, no, not just a facial. Almighty, you can facial and be I am washing. Now, you are on name for your hot secret. Hano, Ayana, and send you will be teach that or Hemia, or person is our own young someone in the TV before and can't come to himself. And no, and you be so simply. Now, get your model. Obisi Bako. Hello, my friend, I will find. Hello, my friend, hello, my own father. Send the message out. Yeah, they need you. And the
GBH as a company, and your media. Okay. India, I say it with that. We have other stakeholders who are even though I'm the face of GBH, but GBH logistics, and yet along there. Even though I'm representing, I'm the CEO of the company, but we have other stakeholders. We have lawyers, we have people, we have secretaries who are also involved. Sometimes I do the groundwork. What I say? Sometimes I go to the field myself for me to make sure things have been done. Mommy to move on, make a field. Remember this facial time? I was just roaming about airport, ups and down. You even met me on one occasion. Even when it comes to container, sometimes you see my video done. I'll be at what do you call it? MPS. Sometimes done 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, done. Man, I'm in the container river and I have video. You know about all this. So doing all this, it becomes very, very difficult to be able to pick calls. That's why we have office line. You understand? We give office line out to people.
You can customer no. They say obi o kra ne dia ofre o ne wakase. Hello, Mateo, come and send me the minimum about warehouse. Ubi on Musa Libya, container update, and open Ubisa, Ubi also cry Libya. In your man, a barbecue, but of the one floor has a war, and maybe, but also from Mufa.
What's that? If I say be a one, we drive it there, from your own. Okay, that's one thing. Even a human being who have a customer, now was a mission. Quite recently, patient has semi accident, we know maybe anti AC. Yes, so I feel say. even if I don't pick calls, I come back and reply all those calls. I try my best. That's why I was trying to remove the burden from me. That's why we have a secretary. When I think that they stopped calling me, calls and they said I'm to be brave. Then I'll call through the secretary. Then the secretary informs me. Then I do the needful. Then I call them back. So more there were from Yaman. It was during facial time. That I'm not pressure.
Say and yet Comobia, fast business there, Elon mini panel, and a GBHDR on passing through channel man.
Passing through office line. Office line.
Office line. Office line, they active. Yeah, we will be now. What kind of problem? I don't need facial in combo. Now, because I say, facial no, comes the who did they buy. Ubiquity on Canyon, my buy. We are only facial, also the Sika program. But not one yaw who say facial no motor, and the visual one more say the facial no a buyer no. Now, time now, Cassie, I didn't remember the money in Sika. I'm then there, I know Cassie. What a facial prayer. I was a pet, not to be a cancer. I did find the sea and Casa facial, go fast up with the
facial assembly. Madame and I am here because the brand as which we were portraying, this was just something unexpectedly. It shocked us from a different perspective. That's what I say. Facebook came with a couple of things. I do know it as one, Corona. COVID was a major factor, and I think another thing was that the demand started dropping, but the supply was going up. You understand?
I shall say now no more crab. That fish may be
very good. I start here now. Very good. I start here there. Now within 7 days, 10 days, never better. But the Eba and he said, it goes to a place, everybody was importing fish. And you and I know, say, after that time, the passenger flight wasn't working. It was only cargo flight. And the cargo flight comes to Ghana twice within a week. And the cargo flight is not destined to only pick GBH. One Zama. You have all the logistics companies that they are also picking their items and bringing it to Ghana. So you and I know, say, there will be problems somewhere. And this fish that you can't watch me, and the GBH in Kwao, it's every place. Aside say GBH KCL, other shippers, shipping agents in Minkas will be a kit one. And other shipping agents be almost no money for money, mamma. No money now, no money must have break GBH from Bra. And I'm just annual money until man, man, and when the thing got to the peak, we issued a press statement saying people should stop bringing fish to our warehouse. That's what I cannot say. I sent, I don't know if you saw it. I sent everything across. Most all our things have been put on flyers, so people have to read. But what took us by surprise is the airline assured us, say if you pay this amount of money, they are going to airlift only GBH staff and bring it directly to Ghana. When the items came to Ghana, it was only just few items that came to Ghana. Later the price is dropped here, before the whole batch came in. After then the price has already dropped, and people were feeling reluctant. And it's normal in business. So far as price has reduced, and the demand has also reduced. You understand? Yes, it is true. And GBH, I don't know. We've also lost a lot during this face shield issue. But as I always say, we are as an institution, we always sympathize with our clients. Because we do our business, if you own your business, rather, and on what we say, or whatever they say, and at this unfortunate incident, we tried our best to compensate some people through free duty. Yeah, they go over family free. We used to reduce for people, but yes, but we tried our best. We apologize to some of the clients. We tried to compensate them, and we are praying, in the near future, we'll be able to take hold of certain things. We'll be able to see a foresight, and then we see that if it is years.
Quite recently, so we say GBH issue names facial China.
Facial China, and they be super Ghana. They are Ghana, dodo na nkofo me fai I look at a company later yes and your China no Chinese warehouse for no airline for no omo catch say betua some amount of money then be fa in first normal goods me for fry it me say we able to bring the normal goods out of the warehouse. Yes. So right now what we are trying to play with clients is if you have any factory that is willing to take the face shield and probably recycle it to do another thing, you can really help us. Now, because I don't see a power. Because we have the mindset to look far.
It's a customer manager in the same face shield. You see, I say, the mouth class and you crown. It's a banner with you and all some duty make here. Happy with the only time my customers as I said, I said, yeah, China. Naka, you have to me informer recycle factory. Then you have the list of everybody. The list is at the office right now. You have the list of Obian and Zamawo Aka China, which is facial there. You to me selling it out to factory. You'll be able to give looking at the number of your items, facial one, you'll be able to compensate it with an amount that you got out of it. But this time we are not going to look for the factory. We are pleading with our clients for them to rather go and to help us on this one. Seek a factory who be ready, interested, very good. Yes, that's the mindset. Even GB doesn't have any interest in them. We rather try to help the clients. Now if we call in Zaman, then we can compensate them with something small. That's what we are trying to do. Away from facial, facial perform but see me who say I say what's and say charges no need I can't hear to say how many days and son I'll be and address it to that and I said to say to you
with us see I know patient break here it took us 2 months for us to be able to this 2 months of trying to figure out how we can put things in place. 2 months of restructuring things, 2 months of trying to put things in place. Police in Semne up and down. You can conference affect we've been able to reorganize ourselves and come out strongly. That's the most important thing in life. So if you have been hit by any negative thing, you think that reflect upon it, you'll be able to come out strongly than you were before. That's the most important thing about life. So you've been able to come out from facial and you are now doing air. And it's 7 days. Now people have already attest to it. Within 7 days, now weekends, excluding weekends. Within 7 days, now we do Ghana. And $13 a kg. And look at door to door free. Door to door, no. Some people don't understand it. But what you say, yeah, door to door, no. You find the best office man by baby. At GBH Logistics, door to door, just say. What is this period? What would you very good.
And it's the engine scar.
The engine scar. The engine for air. For air. Any scene in there. The engine scar.
See cargo also charges here. So they will say air near $13.
Very good. See no $230. First net $260. And the and a mom say clients the bank and the about $250. And they say for artists who about $230 no. And look at what Ghana 230 including shipping and clearance to your doorstep. It's in your going and then you come up on free it's free delivery free.
Hello, now the yes to your home or your share you man sense you say and say ka krebi abem who say things are in place now as compared to first. So I give you here now first part na me who say GBH say what adia na you do container na you know one is your look we want on your man be dunia for your man be because say me who say so what adia container corner a loading with your money. Let's see Bible. The container. So on your mind, now at the said the woman say a summer tracking number.
Very good.
Wow, to me tracking container name who say oh drew her a barbecue. And there's no idea no about saying what's not saying a page aside.
Mokaya, well, walk on the idea in the bay. More count on the idea in the bay. I said, go photo nyoma then say ya shipping on betiana the man about nyoma as a go na they been have some doubt but yet not they say you create GBH website they say there is a need say clients should actually know the progress of their shipment. Maybe I'm coming to you, they should actually know where their item has gotten to. So that's why we do some lists. So when you do a list, probably you'll be on the 15th of maybe from the October. List from 1st October to 15th. You do all the list. You do a loading date. You do the time that it was loaded, the container number, the tracking number. We even show you where you can track it. Every 2 weeks, we update you. Your things has gotten either to Malaysia or the things has gotten to Cameroon. Then after another 1 week, your things has arrived in Ghana. Then you clear. But sometimes all the Ghana are clearing in a but we are putting some measures in place. Probably within 3 days, you should be able to clear your items for you.
Now, questions are customer be with you. So we are putting money where we say no matter. I don't know who to say I try to eat.
ETA no. Yeah, na the short no estimated time of arrival. Estimated time of arrival. And no just that time na dem be do.
And they are not confused.
Very good.
I didn't say.
So time na 25th na be
contain and we are near you.
When the home. Say vessel no come out 25th awon. Omo to e be do Ghana 20. Yes, about 5 days earlier. Very good. But the Ghana, if you want to do the Ghana, now you contain the Ghana, say, the Ghana, probably sometimes it take like 2 days for the son offshore. So I say, I saw, if you are Edaba, MPS, the local go to do that, and what they control is one day, the mayor talk Accra, yeah, try their pop, and for the day, clear container, go to the way, no, I wash a senior. Container here, no, it's very good. Only against your mother.
I never call myself who a dance for a year to put out a year mistake. Who they say, no, you'll be able to let time. I don't want to say, a whole of the time, one every two Ghana, I will carry our China home. To no man ever do warehouse one. Now, as is any echo, one of our guy, as is any echo. Now, on one of no man, 2 to 1. We say, we say, what I say, we say, bracelet, yeah, most of the bracelet, we say, Sammy, most of Sammy boom, we say, send them boom. Obiara in your man, we have boom, but on the other side, no. It's a book, and I was super tracking away scan code on. It's the end of the day. Was scanning up what added GBH also. Sunday, easy identification. Any problem? You've had this problem. Even there are a lot of items here. No name.
You don't need that. What I say? No name. And a hard dream pa. What I say? It didn't be a
way to buy an initiative when you're
very good.
Okay.
The Panonchon, it didn't be new. There is an air dim pass. You
don't want to back because say, what you want to
at one to do will number book a career. At least what to me throw or number a boom.
Hello, now GBH in Kabatano, if you were here from. And I are
oh, GBH dear. Look at GBH and your crown. Okay, GBH dear. Your GBH Accra and their headquarters and their main one. And your Baku Kumasi and your Baku a penny saying Takradi. Kumasi dear or Mako Bay and Takradi and also Anaji. Penny saying Omunano, a Jumodini said they are representatives of GBH Logistics. It's a war problem here. What to do for almost logistics.
As a Unioma bank, now,
very good. That's the mistake people do. You go to Kumasi office, you go to Kumasi office, then you go and pick up your items at Kumasi office.
Then you go say TNT.
Very good, very good.
Anytime,
Very good, very good.
Sounds not tap right.
Sir. And it's also crying.
As you when you say, who has said Kumasi, I establish here.
Right now, no. The person establish Kumasi very, very well. And you want to establish Kumasi very, very well, then you can look at other places. But it's just like we really establish Accra, want to focus on Kumasi and really establish Kumasi very, very well. And we Monkasiya, friend says Sebia, Obu Kumasi, Sebia, or Kumasi office liner, and Indian Akamaka, well, Bebo, actually,
what's the number? No, 0249919020. Indeed, the number never twice here. Na so Kumasi, and we are over Faka. Tinabas no abahasa obejo we are send your coffee over na GBH for us on the office e Kumasi na aba Kumasi aba ahini ma kokko ye opposite the Chiefs Palace. Yes do an friend number here so we hello yes e kwan was dey barbecue abofo I think say ahanedi komodo ABC am say do na wo hodo mo ankofo be so mu bisa na or drop your comment section na say along through YouTube, GBH YouTube, or follow GBH so YouTube channel, or subscribe here. We are now for GBH Logistics. Now follow our channel. Hello, over Chianco for China now.
China dear, baby, my dear. I must say a very big thank you to all of you, especially Mumu say you've been able to be the forefront of GBH Logistics. You guys have done an amazing job. Every day, I'm overwhelmed. I never expected all this. You understand? Yes. And I must. Obi Adema wa no time. The Mikana said, a little bit down. I never expected all that. From Isaac to all the boys and staff, challenge. You guys have done an amazing job. And I don't know where to start from, but I always say, I just thank God. What I say.
It's I was aha and yadi ABC as a crane was said, everybody drew up one. Because China Baba will say, I can't say it. Said I ended down, or you say one more or more Eboa Emma, China Tana, a African, or more Moa Emma, Asitan is a wood Noma, a free China Pra Abagana. I am flexible, and you know, moving for GBH Logistics, intimate in your move in film. Now, GBH Logistics, intimate in your move film. You can't ship agents, I can say for more China now or the move back open. And see, say, I can't, you know, we are customer, also over fun in your man, and then combine any year, the better. Now, you can't get the debut. This is all your bar now, also. This is in Huswa, I would take you with us. Until you want to come on. What you say, said in Mujit and Sweden. A better now, only Mukafu, and I say, will beat me one now. It's a mobile penny alone. Now, of questions now, because of Zana and Bizano. Hello, Bacho, last year was Redana. Hello, Bacho, Obi will line so that. And now I feel we will line him, and I will be a cap boss, and I will not be seen at the same. Already, don't worry. Don't worry, but losing interest, don't worry and take. Now, that's a wonderful capital Bundia, any better power. And yes, on no enemy. On answer, but Mimi Canisa, or the type which she's very present, you understand? Yes, or she's not that type. I don't know if I'm a friend, I'm in this and everybody in the rest of it. But it's a woman, I say, but one person may body, but some coming friend of a cousin body did that come. They are creating a matter of a gas or no. If you are to I was there, I didn't go on ABC, a China Baba, will say, I can't send it here. The mission on your cases, I will bread and the interview. Send a Canada, so for some ship on your man, a bar, Ghana, and now it GBH, and I was about it. That's an essential, Macau. ye hu na ye de bia di mu adase customer na abefa ne ma
Send down the money. Samsung 55 inch.
and me the way the LG sound bar na what you pay in the bena about the
We shopping somewhere last month.
na we dey eye go se kan so wo kan na obi won chen ya we tun hu GBH ma wo di obo shopping sem no say any customer service ya say
Customer service they are very good because at least
Everything
yeah,
from
to meet you. I mean, if there's any problem, I want to meet you. We say, oh, just say, yeah, yes, my man worry, yeah, very, very good. My papa,
when you be share or because if ya GBH 1 month and almost a rabbit dim come over today. They give say they are grand is yeah and bring him when I was what's not China that is not China. Then I'll catch you with this on here or what that's why GBH
yeah. I mean, can say begin now being yourself to be free China about Ghana, yeah. GBH number 1. Yeah, we be here the perform so they safe and sound. American.
Chairman when myself come say na wasu mu the enemy o ma ba and we do more than say we dey go so bia so we say do no ma free China ever Ghana and na the phone you have bia say GBH logistics try and test yeah and I was